Today's recipe is grilled chicken tenders with toyo and suka dipping sauce. Okay, let's cut our ingredients for making the sawsawan or dipping sauce. Let's crush and slice a large garlic clove. If you wish to use some barbecue sauce, you may skip these steps. Let's cube a quarter of a large onion. I prefer sweet onion. Dice one large tomato. I like mine de-seeded. Add to the bowl. Then let's cut half of a medium-sized lemon. Cover the bowl and let's refrigerate until ready to use. Alrighty, let's season our chicken tenders. Let's place 1 pound of chicken tenders. Let's add half a teaspoon of kosher salt. You may add more if you want. Then 2 teaspoons of ground black pepper. Then let's add crushed and chopped 2 garlic cloves. Half a teaspoon of smoked paprika. You may also use just regular paprika. Half a teaspoon of crushed chili peppers. Then 2 tablespoons of annatto oil. And of course, let's squeeze some lemon juice. Alright, that should be good. Let's give it a mix. Let's make sure all of the pieces are well coated. Okay, we will let that rest for about 10 minutes while we get our grill ready. Follow me. Let's turn the grill to medium-high flame. Let's not forget our marinated chicken. Okay, our grill is at 450 to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, so let's add in our chicken. I don't think there's need to cover the grill since this chicken is very thin. We will cook this for about 3 to 5 minutes or until golden. I think they're ready to be flipped. We will cook the other side for 3 to 5 minutes or less. They should cook very quickly. Yay, they are done. Let us transfer these babies to a plate. I'm drooling already. Ta-da! Let's cut a piece. We will set this aside and we will finish making our dipping sauce. Now let's put together our sawsawan. Let's add some pinches of ground black pepper, some toyo, and vinegar. Add more lemon if you want, for extra acidity. Now let's give it a mix. Ooh, look at that. It's missing some green elements. I think I'm gonna add spring onions. Alright, let's add spring onions. Yay! There we go. Now it's time to serve our grilled chicken tenders with the sawsawan. These babies are perfect for lunch, dinner, or some protein to your salad. And there you have it, my grilled chicken tenders with suka and toyo sawsawan. Enjoy! And I am Maricho asking you to please consider subscribing to our channel if you enjoyed this recipe. Let's eat!